everybody, another day, another dollar. Today is Thursday, October 15th, and these are your top 5 things to know. Kicking it off at number 1, stocks on Wall Street are set for another lower open this morning, with the major averages on track to suffer their third straight day of losses amid ongoing stimulus uncertainty. Rising concerns about resurgent COVID-19 cases is also weighing on risk appetite this morning. The Dow futures were last pointing to a drop of about 150 points. Futures on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were also indicating a negative Thursday start for the two indices. The pre-market moves come one day after stocks ended lower after Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin said that reaching a new stimulus deal before the election would be difficult and is highly unlikely. So keep your eyes on any further developments on the stimulus front as Thursday's session progresses. On to number 2. More earnings from the financial sector will be in focus, with Morgan Stanley and Charles Schwab both set to report their latest quarterly results. Both are expected to see a boost from increased trading revenue. In addition to those two, Thursday's earnings lineup also includes results from Dow component Walgreens, which has seen its stock drop almost 40% so far this year. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest results. On to number 3. Keep your eyes on FSLY, which is likely set for a big down day today. Shares are plunging by almost 25% in early trade. The cloud software company, which at one point this year was up by as much as 550%, cut its third quarter guidance late on Wednesday, citing lower than expected demand from TikTok, its largest customer. The company, which helps deliver digital content to consumers, reports earnings on October 28. Keep an eye on other names in the high-flying software sector, such as Cloudflare, Datadog, and CrowdStrike. All are under pressure in pre-market trade, dragging other tech stocks lower. On to number 4. On the economic calendar, the main event will be weekly jobless claims due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. Analysts on average expect this week's report to show that 825,000 Americans likely apply for unemployment benefits. If confirmed, it would mark the 30th straight week that claims have topped the 800,000 level. You can track the data release in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. And finally, number 5, we also get weekly oil supply report this morning. The data comes out one day later than normal following the Columbus Day holiday this week. Expectations are that it will show a drop of around 2.8 million barrels of crude stocks last week. Data from the American Petroleum Institute released late on Wednesday showed that U.S. crude supplies fell by 5.4 million barrels. U.S. WTI crude futures were trading slightly lower ahead of the report. So that's it for me for today. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.